Good evening, sir. My name is Prince Darren Capone, and I currently a story enrolled in the Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation. Importance of OSH, Occupational Safety and Health and PEDAM's Prevention of Alcohol and Drug Abuse in the Maritime Sector in BCMT. OSH is critical to BCMT program because it teaches futures marine the essential safety protocols and hazards management skills needed to prevent accidents and injuries while at sea. Maritime work involves various risks and OSH ensures that we are equipped to handle emergencies, maintain a safe working environment, and comply with international safety standards. PADAMs play an equally vital role by addressing the dangers of substance abuse in the maritime industry. As seafarers' responsibility include making sound decisions and reacting swiftly in high stakes situations, understanding the impact of alcohol and drugs and performance helps ensure the safety of the ship, crew, and cargo by promoting discipline and clear headedness on board. How this course will help you fulfill your dream, becoming a seafarer. This course will provide me with the knowledge and skills necessary to become a competent and responsible seafarer, and understanding and applying the principles of OSH and PADAMS will help me uphold high safety and ethical standards, which are critical to earning the trust of micro and superiors. This practice will not only help me ensure the safety of the ship and everyone on board, but also enable me to build a long lasting and successful career in the maritime industry. Thank you.